Hello, Hardressing here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Yelp app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store and find your Yelp app and check if you have the newest version of the app. Check if you have the newest version. If you have the newest version of the app, everything should be alright with the app. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first we go up to settings, apps, see all, Yelp, permissions, and all not allowed, just allow. So after this, go back here, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and unrestricted data usage on. After this, everything should be cool, but if it's not, let's begin to the last way. So go back to the Play Store, uninstall the app, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.